Hey guys, today I'm going to bake some chicken breast and rice in a cast iron skillet. So let's get toasting. This 10-inch cast iron skillet that I bought at Walmart fits perfectly in my toaster oven. So I'm using my toaster oven, but you can use the big oven if you want. It'd be the same thing. What I found is instant rice works pretty good in the oven. I have used regular rice, but sometimes it comes out kind of crunchy, where this instant rice seems to come out good every time. So I'll use 1 cup of that and then just add 1 cup of water. I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts here. I got these for $2.99, which is a pretty good price. Last time I used chicken tenders, but they didn't have them, so I just got these. So I'm going to use a couple of them, so let me rinse them off. For seasoning, I'm going to use this Flavor Made. It's like a salt-free, sugar-free seasoning blend, kind of like Mrs. Dash. I like putting soy sauce on it when I eat it, so a lot of salt and soy sauce, so I don't really need any more salt, so that's why I'm using this salt-free seasoning. Now I'll just put the chicken breasts right on top of the rice, and I'll cook this until the internal temperature of the chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I set the oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll let you guys know how long this takes. It's been 25 minutes, so let's check the temperature of the chicken here. 170 something. We only needed 165, so it's done. I cut up a little green onion on top there. Let's cut into a piece of chicken and see how it looks. Well, actually it doesn't look too bad. Looks fairly juicy, fairly moist. Let's try it out. Tastes like chicken. Well, look who showed up. It's Annie the taste test dog. Want some chicken? Well, she didn't choke. I guess it wasn't too dry. So that took 25 minutes. When I did the chicken tenders the other day, they took about 15 minutes. So it's going to vary depending on your oven and how big your pieces of chicken are. But the nice thing about the toaster oven is I just set the timer and go do other stuff, and then it just shuts off when it's done. So it's an easy way to make that. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.